Imagine waking up every morning excited, driven, and motivated to accomplish your goals. Now, picture yourself staying focused all day long, resisting distractions, and completing tasks on time, every time. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that you could turn this dream into reality by mastering one key trait, self-discipline? Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to build self-discipline, a skill that will change your life, whether you're trying to build better habits, achieve your long-term goals, or simply stay productive in your day-to-day activities. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through actionable, proven steps that will help you develop the self-discipline you need to succeed. And trust me, with the right strategies, self-discipline isn't just for a lucky few, it can be learned and practiced by anyone, including you. Are you ready to take control of your life? Let's dive in. Before we dive into the how, let's first talk about the why. Why is self-discipline so important? Well, self-discipline is the foundation of personal growth. It's the difference between wishing for success and actually achieving it. It's what keeps you moving forward when the excitement fades, when challenges arise, or when you just don't feel like working. Self-discipline allows you to take consistent action, even when you're not feeling motivated. And let's face it, motivation can be fleeting. But self-discipline, true self-discipline, is a skill that you can develop and rely on, no matter what external circumstances may be. Whether you're working towards a fitness goal, building a business, or learning a new skill, self-discipline ensures that you stay the course, especially when things get tough. Step 2. Set clear and specific goals. One of the most common mistakes people make is setting vague, ambiguous goals. I want to get fit, or I want to be successful. These types of goals are too general to lead to action. Self-discipline thrives when you have clarity and a clear direction. The first step to building self-discipline is setting clear, specific, and measurable goals. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, reframe it as, I will work out for 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Specific goals give you something tangible to focus on and measure your progress against. This is what we call SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When you set SMART goals, you break down your ultimate goal into smaller, manageable chunks that keep you motivated and on track. Step 3. Create a routine and stick to it. Now that you have your goals, the next step is creating a routine. Humans are creatures of habit, and self-discipline is easier to maintain when you integrate it into your daily routine. Whether it's a morning ritual, an evening wind down, or a specific work schedule, creating a structured routine helps you make self-discipline automatic. Start by identifying key habits that support your goals and then incorporate them into your daily life. Don't try to overhaul everything at once. If you're looking to get fit, for example, start by scheduling a 10-minute workout every morning before work. Once that becomes a habit, gradually increase the time and intensity. The key is consistency. It's much easier to build self-discipline around a set routine than to rely on fleeting motivation. Make your routine non-negotiable, and stick to it, no matter what. Step 4. Manage your environment. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your behaviors and actions. If you want to build self-discipline, you need to create an environment that supports your goals. This might mean decluttering your workspace, setting up reminders, or removing distractions that keep you from staying focused. For example, if you're trying to eat healthier, remove unhealthy snacks from your home and stock up on nutritious alternatives. If you're trying to focus on work, make sure your workspace is clean and organized. By managing your environment, you can reduce the friction that gets in the way of your goals. Remember, a cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. Control your environment, and it will be much easier to stay disciplined. Step 5. Prioritize your tasks. Self-discipline is also about managing your time effectively. There are only so many hours in a day, so you need to prioritize the most important tasks and focus on what truly matters. This means learning to say no to distractions, low-priority activities, and anything that doesn't align with your goals.